Larry, this candle symbolizes not only your success, but most of all, it symbolizes God's guidance. Kung alam ko that you still have a bright future ahead of you, a long ways to go, and this candle will serve as God's light to guide you, as ambassadors of light. Happy birthday!
Abanti ka, wala ka sa frame. Ayan, ayan.
Okay, ulitin ko ha.
Ulit, take two.
Take two.
Game.
Happy birthday, Arnie. Miss ko sa'yo, sana huwag ka magbabago. Kami, dito pa rin kami kahit nasan ka. Through thick and thin, dito kami para sa'yo. We love you. Thank you.
Next. Ano po ulit?
Silvery. Erica.
Ano po ulit?
Uy, Erica, Sarah.
All of them here? No. Okay. Hi, everybody. I'm so bad at these, I'm sorry. First off, happy birthday. We wish you continued success and happiness. We love you.
Thank you. Thank you, Bruce. How was Sarah?
Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Love you, everybody.
Abante. Dito, wala ka sa frame.
What else can I say? But I like this light. I lit this light for best of health of Larry and a harmonious relationship with her supporters. And God bless. Happy birthday. Friendship March.
Long time no see.
Payat ka naman.
Happy birthday, Larry. Again, this light also
Oh,
symbolizes more success, greater health, and we hope that you achieve all your dreams. Sana you can go to more countries, sell more records, and be pero aside from that, importante ma-develop mo na maging the best person that you can be. Tapos ma-influence mo yung mga tao, maging great example. Okay, we're always here for you, Larry. So, God bless you.
Happy birthday, Larry. I
climb up the steps. And I know he's making up to the stars. But even if you're up there, make sure your feet are planted on the ground. Okay? And I wish you further success. Happy birthday.
Arnie, happy birthday. Ingat sa mga bata. Idol na idol ka ng paman. Hanggang ngayon, wala sila sa'yo. At hindi ka magbabala sa kanila. Happy birthday.
Araw-araw patuloy kang gumaganda. Araw-araw tuwing narinig namin yung musika mo, lagi mo kami napapasaya.
Low subject, high question.
Ang bilis ng Arnia.
Happy birthday. Sana mapapil mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Tsaka ipagpatuloy mo lang yung faith mo kay Lord. Lagi kang magdadasal. Alam naman natin na siya lang talaga yung protection natin, siya na guidance. Huwag mo lang ay hindi. Para sa akin naman yung love life eh. Hindi naman love eh. Basta kahit ano sa kabasaya ngayon. Masaya na yung kami. Happy birthday! And yung family ko rin, pinapati ka nila ng happy birthday. And ang wish ko, of course, pinaka-importante sa lahat, good health. So alam ko, sobrang busy ka na. So yun lang lagi yung wish ko para sa'yo na magkaroon ka lagi ng good health. And of course, stay as humble as you are. Yung na-army pala na tumitol eh. Nag-miss na namin yun. Alam mo, kahit di ka namin nakasama sa Ambassadors of Life, of course, syempre, forever part ka ng choir, and nami-miss ka na namin lahat. Ayun, so, happy birthday, and God bless you always. We love you.
Yung mga pamilya ni ano. Kayo na.
Ay, mga tito ko. Sa'yo na mama ko. Tito ko.
Ayun, si Nenen. Da.
Parang hindi kayo kasama.
Long time no see.
With all my love, with all my tears. Hindi, as mas sabihin, you may think you still have a long way to go, but look at how far you've already come. Diba, you're no longer what you used to be, maybe 5 years from now. Pero, let God be the center of your career, everything. I love you very much.
Happy birthday! Dalangin ko lang sa Panginoong Diyos na lalo kanyang pagnubayan at huwag kang magbago sa mga fans mo. Lagi ka lang humble. Lagi kami ng salita sa likod mo. Pinasipray ka namin. Naiiyak ka kami ng Kaya more blessing, sana dalangin pa rin namin sa Panginoon, lalo kanyang gabayan. Yun lang. Nasa likod mo lang kami. Happy birthday!
Laki-laki mo na.